And hello everyone. Hello. Let me just check if everything works fine. Hi Spriggan. Hi Valentin. Hello guys. Okay, nice. So tonight, this is my 17th day of this challenge of making 10 games in a month, and today it's also the second day of my 6th project. So that's great. Let me show you first what I intend to make in this today. That remind me. Just let me go on that YouTube here. Here. Okay. Like this. Okay. So, what the game consists of? So my very first inspiration was a classic game called Atari Breakout, where you have a little platform that launch a ball, and you have to break all the bricks in the map, and the ball will bounce in every way. So this is my first inspiration, and recently played a mobile game called Pinball. So this is the game where in this game the more things that we have that in the Atari Breakout is that the enemy has HP. It's more like an RPG combined to this game. So the idea was very original for what it is. So I decided to inspire myself by this game. Of course, I will not have all the time to make all the game mechanics, but I will try to go as far as I can and make the more things that I can in an hour of live or two. It depends. Just to warn you, I launched the live a bit late tonight, and I got my class tomorrow, so I don't know if it will be a long live or not. I will see. I will try to make at least 1 hour, but don't be surprised if I cut more earlier and I didn't make a lot of things. I wish I can make a lot of things tonight, but we will see. So let me show you my Unity project here. So what I made last time. So as you can see, of course, it's just some squares, but I made here. This is my little player, calling it player, but that's not it. I could add the materials after, but let's try that now. So this is my player here, and this square is the border of the map, such as the same as a pinball, like this. And this is bricks that I intend to make in the last time. So if I click with my mouse, the ball will go in the mouse direction and will bounce all the way in the wall, as you can see. And if I launch my ball on the bricks, it will bounce and destroy it. So as you can see, I got the Atari Breakout. If I were doing this game, I will be already finished. Not finished, of course. There are more things to add, but if I want to make it like a pinball, I will add some more things. So just let me take you my gameplay note. Where is let me find it, sorry. This is the game 7. Did I save it? Oh, I maybe not saved the gameplay feature. That's okay. I will be doing that without it. Just let me look. Okay, that's okay. So tonight, you know what? Let's take this note and create a new one with this one. So tonight, what I want to do, gameplay here. So first, if I look at the game again, I have a statistic such as HP. So add HP to my mob, add HP to my player too, and the goal will be to make my mobs move forward toward me, and if they come at the end, they will inflict me some damage, and if I lose all of my HP, I will lose the game. And with that, I will make a wave system. So for example, if I'm already alive in the, I don't know, the 20 waves, I will win the game. So I will be focused on that. If I finish it fast, I will try to add maybe some bonuses, such as don't know, get more balls, a modificator of my ball, and things like that. But we will say that later. Let's focus first on that. So let's go back to Unity, and the first thing that I want to do is to get my brick and add it HP component. So I will go on my script. Okay, here. So let's add a public int HP, like that. So perfect. Do I need anything else? No, HP, it's okay. And let's set, so if I got a collision with a ball, don't set destroy, but just let's set HP minus minus, like this. And if HP less or equals to 0, then destroy it, like that. And I put that in the int. Okay, perfect. So here we are, and let's set that for this brick my HP will be to test, let's say 3. Okay, so let's look if it's working or not. So if I launch my ball at the bricks, as you can see, I lose 1 HP. Let's launch the ball again, lose 1 HP again, and if I launch it again, the bricks die. So that's cool. One thing's that great. Now that I have that, I will try to make the waves mechanic, if I can call it like that. So for that, I just want to make my game board a bit bigger, so it will be a bit more fun to play with. Let's just make that some space, like that. Make that bigger. Oh, sorry. like this, and make that bigger too, like this, and this one too. Like this. Like this, yes. I just want to align that. Perfect. Let's now just add the material before continuing. Will be a bit more beautiful to watch for you and for me. So let's create first a material here. Let's calling it my base material. Base material, like this. Perfect. Let's set that we will be in blue, for example, or no, red. Red is I like this color. So let's set that we will be red. Let's set that the bricks material bricks brick material, like this, and let's set that it will be yellow, for example, like this. Put that in yellow, and my border I can let that white, it's okay. And my ball, let's set white too for now, just to differentiate the bricks and my base. Let's set that, I just want to make something too. Let's move that a bit higher, so like this. Okay, like that. Perfect. And now what I want to do is to make a wave of a wave of brick that will translate every time I launch a ball, and the ball got disappear. So like this, for example, and like this, and if they go here, they disappear too, and I got an HP minus. Just let me reduce a bit the music, it's a bit too much for me, like this. Perfect. Okay, so for that I will make a spawner. Let's create an empty, calling it brick spawner, like this. Let's also make my brick prefab, like this. Perfect. And now that we have that, okay, perfect. And let's create the script for my brick spawner. Brick spawner, like this. Let's wait for the compilation. And we need to put that on my brick spawner, like this. Okay, and let's go editing that. How I'm going to make that? I will be making a list of what I will be making. A game object, it will be more simpler for me to make that. Game object, spawn points, like this, and let's set I will also need the bricks, of course. Public game object brick, like that. And let's set first, let's make a random int rand equals random point range. sorry, like this. So to 0 to spawn point count, like this. Point count +1, if I remember. Yeah, that's it. Max. Okay, like that. So +1. And let's instantiate a brick at wait, I made something wrong. Yes. Spawn point round point transform point position, and the same for the rotation, like this. Rotation, like that. Perfect. Let's go on my editor. Wait for the script that is reloading. Let me just look at the thing before. Nice. The stream is still okay. And now brick spawner. Let's make that bigger. Let's add my bricks, of course. Not the one here. Let's sub that so it will be more things bad. So sorry, brick spawner and spawn point. Let's say that it will be 4. Okay, and I will create a 4 game object, 4 empty. Spawn 1. And let's set, for example, that spawn 1 will be here. Said -4 at 2 at 3, yes, nice, and 0 and set. Duplicate that and add, let's set -2, like that, and rename that spawn 2, and this 1 let's duplicate and move them right here. So 1 and 3. No, something -4, -2. So this one I can let you that one. No, let's put that in 0 and this one in 2, like that. And now let's go back on my spawn point before renaming my spawn point, like this. Let's go back in my brick spawner, put spawn 1. Oh, sorry. Spawn 1, spawn 2, spawn 3, and spawn 4. And now it should be, if I didn't make anything wrong, it should be spawning a brick at this random location at the start when I will launch. Let's see. Okay, let's just restart again just to be sure. Oh, it didn't make it spawn. I didn't make it spawn. Okay, and if I launch again, oh, I got an error. I got out of the array. Okay, so I know where it's come from. It's from here. I made an error. Let's try it again. Okay. Okay. Let's try it last time. Okay. Nice. So now that I can make spawn my bricks, right? I want to make it move when I launch a ball and this ball go out of the screen. So I already made a function for that. Just let me think how I will be doing that. Okay, let's go on my brick script. Where is brick? Here. And let's set in my update. Let's create a boolean. Public bool calling it add move. Let's calling it move, and let's go and make that and set if move. Then I will be making a transform point. Sorry, transform point position plus equal. I will be doing that with that new vector 3 2. Let's say 3, sorry. 0 0 0, and just let me see something. Let's make a brick spawn. We got an error. Okay. Let's say that this brick is here. If I put the y in 2, okay, perfect. If I put the y in 0, minus 3. Okay, nice. And okay, nice. So excuse me. And plus minus 1 in the y. And of course, let's make move equals to false again. Okay, I think we're good. I make it public. So now if I go on my ball, on my become invisible, I will make this move true. So let's make public game object brick. I will have to find it because oh wait. Wait, oh, I should be making that in there. It will be more simple for me. Let's make my move here, and let's set not game object ball, and let's set that move equal true, and let's set not that so, but let's call ball game object ball. We get the problem anyway. Point find. I can't make that in the start. Let me think about that. No, I have to make that in my ball. Sorry. Oh, wait. What did I make? Okay. How I will be finding right, just let me look at something first. I will be back in a minute. Okay, sorry. Okay, I will be making that a bit different, so let's remove that and let's set that let's make it for a while. Set from all my game object brick in game object point find game object with tag, and the tag will be brick. Let's set that for each. It's for each like this. Let's set that brick point move point. Okay, get component brick point move equals to true, like this. It will be more easier for me to make that. So I have to add my brick a tag brick, simple as that. Let's add the brick tag like this, and let's add this to my brick game object here. Nice. And let me think of something. Let me think about something. Okay. Let's instantiate because I have to instantiate brick every time I got that, so I can make. I have only one brick spawner, so it will be more easier. Let's set that public bool spawn brick. Sorry, spawn brick like this, and let's set in my if spawn brick. I will be making like that a new spawn. And let's go back in my ball again, and for that public game object brick spawner brick spawner equals to game object point find brick spawner, and let's set that this brick spawner point get component brick spawner point spawn brick equals true, and yeah, I think you are good. If spawn brick and of course let's set that this equals to false after that. Okay, I think we are good. Okay, let's see if that's working. Okay, let's launch a game. So a first brick will appear, and of course here as HP, and let's play the game like this. So I lose my ball, a new brick spawn, and the previous one advance. Let's make another play, for example. Oh, I lose. Okay, and they advance like that. I destroy one of them. It advanced. Okay, nice. Nice. We just need something now to finish that. I will go to my base and let's add it HP stat. And how I will be reducing this HP stat? It will be in my brick and in this update let's get my base public game object base. Base game, it's calling base geo. Oh, sorry. Let's finding that here equals game object point find base. Simple as that. And let's say that if let's check that in the if move. Sorry, I will be gaining more time. If transform point position less or equal point y, sorry, less or equals to it was -4 if I remember well. -4 like this, sorry. Then I will be destroy this point game object, of course, and make my base 0.get component base like this point HP minus like that. And let's go back in my base again. Let's set that if HP less or equals to 0, then destroy this point game object like that. Okay, let's see if it will be working. Launch the game. Everything should be fine. Of course, if I didn't define my my base HP, it will be harder for me. So let's define that with 3, as the same for the other one. And I closed the game by double clicking on it. And let's make it move. I want it to in, but doesn't work. Okay, I will be making something, of course. Now, if I want to, I can launch 2 balls in a row. So of course I will have to limit my ball stack. So as you can see, the square goes under the limit of -4, and I lose 1 HP. Okay, this one too, I have 1 HP, and if I lose my ball again without killing this one, I should destroy my game object like this. So perfect, that worked nice. Now we'll just be making my amount of ball, the amount of ball that I got, simple as that. For that, I will go in my base again, input get button done. Let's create public int ball stack like this, and let's go if input and ball stack superior more or equal to 1, then it make that. And how I will get ball again? For that, it will be in my... where did I get? I can make that in the brick, for example. Move. Where did I? Collision if HP. Oh wait, how did I get that? Base go. If okay, I can also set that. If move, I can set that my base. But it will be making that for. Yeah, but that's okay. Yeah, that's okay. I can set the... Oh, sorry. Base point ball stack equals... let's put that in hard coding for now. Let's say the... I know, let's say that we can launch free ball. No, free ball. Let's set 1, sorry. Okay, go back in my code. Launch the game again. And now, if I... Of course, I know what I miss. Okay, let's make my ball stack at 1. And now, if I... ah yeah, of course, if I didn't... if I don't decrement my ball stack, it will not work. Where is my base here? And let's set that base minus minus, like this. So now it should be working. Okay, let's try again. Okay, now I can spam. And if it go again, I get a new ball. Nice, nice, nice. So we are great. I got my HP, I got the enemy HP, I got the wave system, I got a number of ball. We made cool things tonight. Let me just check the time. Okay, I will be okay. It said 15 minutes left. Let's try to make it to the hour. Let me also check if in the live everything's all right. Okay, perfect. So now let's look at the pinball game again. Let's go on this level first. So what I have already for now, I got a player with HP, I got my bricks or enemy, calling it whatever you want, with HP 2. When I collide them, they lose HP. If they are under 0, they're destroying. And oh, sorry, I click on the wrong button. And if they go under the limit, they're making me losing life. So that's great. Now the last thing that I can add is, as you can see, there's a +1 here and here that spawn at each turn. Not each turn, but it will be each turn for me. Yeah, it spawn every turn, unless it's one turn. It's a divide of 5. That's this. Because a divide of 5 give you a mystery brick that give you a power or bonus and things like that. Sorry. I got also range enemy that will launch me a projectile at each turn before moving to. I think I will be making them later on the project. So just let me think about it. Let me think. Okay, so I will be making this +1 ball as they are in the game. So it will be upping my ball stack, of course. I have to think how I will manage this new ball, because, for example, let me show you. Let's say that my ball stack is equal to 3 for now, and let's say in my code, of course I will make a variable for it in my brick. Let's say that's equals to 3 for now. You will see that we got a problem. If, for example, waiting for the script. Okay, so for example, I got 3 balls. Let's say that, I don't know, I launch my 3 ball like this and this. Perfect. Okay, so first, one problem, each time a ball go out, it make my bricks moves. So 3 balls, 3 turns. So if I got 10 balls, I'm dead. So I need to fix that. And also another problem that I was expecting to. If I launch 1 ball launch, it can be more than 3 balls on the game, and I don't want that. So for that, let me think. The solution will be to make a boolean on my balls and said in my bricks script if my where is my base, sorry, and let's say in my base if my ball stacks is equal to 1, then the next ball that I will be launching will be calling it we have a boolean called last ball, for example, and this is this last ball that will make move my bricks, and also it will I will never have the problem of having 3 balls, more than 3 balls in my games. So let's make, I don't know, let's make this in the ball. Let's set public ball last ball, for example. So go back if okay, let's set if last ball like this, sorry. Let's set it will make that here, and now I have to define this last ball. So I will go on my base, I have the game object ball, and if include get mouse button 0, I will be making 2 new conditions. Let's say that if ball stack, if I can't write it well, ball stack is precisely equals to 1, then let's say that where did I get the ball? Where did I get the ball? And I ever use it? Wait, no. Made something. I have to make it like that. No. Just let me think, huh? I instantiate a tumble. Okay. So let's put the condition here. If ball stacks is precisely equal to 1, then we get this tumble get component ball point last ball equals to true, and else sorry, it will be equals to false. Ball stack equals 1, not true, false. And here I put if it's, I mean, last ball, move on. Okay. So now this should be working. Let me look at this. So I have my 3 ball. I have my 3 ball stack. So let's test. Okay, let's see if I wait. Okay. So the turn system work, and yeah, I will never have the problem if a ball go, yeah, like this. So the problem is solved. That's cool. Perfect. And next time, I will be stopping myself here. How much time? 53 minutes. Okay, perfect. So I can make it right now. You know what? Remind me more time, and I got some more motivation. So let's make as in the game. Let me show you. When you launch, for example, the character has 8 balls. When you click, it will launch the 8th one in a row. Not you can click. So for that, it will be in my base that this will be working. If input get button down row, I will be making that. Can I make a while ball stack is more than 0. You will be making that. But we have a problem because I don't want the ball to collide with themselves. So what I want is to add a delay. Okay, let's make a temporary timer for now. Public float timer. You can make it as current time, but for now, I just want to trade with my timer. Let's set that if let's set that timer minus equals to time point delta time, like this. If timer then the 0, then you make it spawn my ball. And of course, let's put the timer at a very low value, as I don't know, 0.3, things like that. And let's set that this timer at the start is equal to 0, so it will make spawn my first bullet instantly. I go back. I will go back here. Okay, I don't know if it will work. Let's try. So now, if I launch my ball, which launch the 3 in a row. Okay, oh, that's working, but the delay was a bit fast. Let's set 1. Let's set 1, for example. Okay, and now if I click, okay, this delay doesn't work. While ball, I don't know if it's because of that. Maybe because the while loop. I don't know. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. That's happening. Crash. Yeah, I'm stupid, but I didn't save, of course. I don't know where is my last save. I wish I'd save it. I save it. I didn't remember when I did save my game. Well, it will be okay. I don't have a lot to add. Okay. So where is the last time? Okay. So I lose the brick spawn. Okay. The brick spawner. Okay. That's okay. That's okay. Let's just recreate that. Wait. Brick spawner. Let's create again the spawn. That's okay. Like this. Spawn 2. Spawn 3. Spawn 4. Wow, it didn't make my brick as a game or prefab. Okay, it's okay. Let's make. Let's add the brick spawner. Let's add the 4 points. So 1, I was at 3, 0, minus 4. Like this. The second one, 3 minus 2, 0, 3 minus 0, sorry, 0, 3, 0, and the fourth one. What did I set here? 0 and 2. Oh. And this is 2, 3, and 0. Okay, let's make that bigger again. Sorry. But I have to make that. Where's my spawn? Oh, I make it very. I make it this height, if I remember. And spawn 1. and make it a bit wider too. It's okay. I will make that fast. Like this. And now this. Oh, whoa. Spawn 1, spawn 2, spawn 2, spawn 3 is at 0. And spawn 4. Don't know why it goes this far. 3, 0. Okay, and let's just make that a bit bigger. Okay. Why is it -4? Okay, that's work. Did I have to add something? Okay, let's make my brick prefabs again. Oh, it's already a prefab, sorry. Let's delete. Let's delete this. Delete this too. So okay, I keep my prefabs. Oof. So I think we are good with that. Let's add the spawn to my base spawner. And did I forgot something? Let's make that again. Like this. And like this. Okay, we are good. Let's go back again in my code. I don't have the old one. It's okay. Oh fuck. Like this. Like this. Okay. So did I manage to get everything back? Wait, did I code this? Properties database is already open. Okay. Okay, let's save the scene first. Okay, I got a brick. I lose my material, but it's okay. And the 3 spawn. Okay. I can't launch it. Okay, I keep everything's fine. Okay. That's a bit bug, but I will make it go back to 1 for now. I will make it back to 1 for now. I will make it back for 1 and in my base ball stack 1. Okay. That's working again. Let's save the scene and don't make same errors twice. Okay guys, so 1 hour and 5 minutes, perfect. I will be stopping myself here. It was a great live. We have a great advancement. I'll just check why is this, but that's so good. Next time we'll be adding some bonus, waves, why not create levels and things like that. We'll see. So I let you here, guys. It was Jeremy, and I wish you a good night. It was my 18th day. 17th day, sorry. 18th will be tomorrow, sorry. So I let you here. Bye bye.